Hello everyone, welcome to RV Study Corner. So today we discuss 10 MCQs questions which is for specially UPSC aspirants. So today we discuss 10 MCQs question which is based on May month current affairs. So let's start the video and discuss all 10 questions. So the first question is here. Which of the following operation has been launched to augment the ongoing national mission for meeting the oxygen requirement? Option A is Operation Rahat, Option B Operation Samudra Setu, Operation C Operation Samudra Setu 2, and Option D is Operation Madat. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer here is Option C. It's the Operation Samudra Setu 2. The second question is, consider the following statements regarding Codex Alimentarius Commission (CAC). Here the options are: it was established by WHO alone. Second option is, its objective is to protect the health of consumers and ensure fair practice in the food trade. Which one is the correct answer? The option is only A, only 2, both 1 and 2, and neither 1 and 2. The correct answer is option B. It's only 2. The third question is, consider the following statements regarding Codex Committee on Species and Culinary Herbs. It's CCSCH. Here the options is, India is the host country. Option 2, the committee has developed and finalized standard for cloves, oregano, basil, and ginger in its recently held 5th session. Which one is the correct answer? Only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Which one is the correct answer? Again, option C is the correct answer. Here both of the options are correct. Let's see the next question. Consider the following statements. Xylophis dibaki is endemic species of Tamil Nadu. Option 2 is subfamily Xylophonin accommodates wood snakes. Which one is the correct answer? Here I have 3 options here. Option 1 is only 1 correct, option 2 is only 2, and option C is both 1 and 2. Here the correct answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer. Here both the options are correct. Here the question is a map related question. Let's see the question. The question is, Voruk recently seen in the news is a disputed area between which of the following two countries? So here the options are Russia and Kazakhstan, Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan, Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C. It's a Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan. Where is the Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan located? Let's see the map for more clarification. Here is our India, our incredible India. So you have to see the north side of India is Tajikistan, and to more zoom in, you have to see Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan. The north part of Tajikistan is presented Kyrgyzstan, and both the two countries are a landlocked country. You have to see the border countries are Tajikistan. The border countries are Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Kyrgyzstan. Let's see the next question. Patula Naach is a string puppetry of which of the following state of India? This question is based on culture of India. It's a straightforward question. You have to just find out the name of the state where is this performed. It's Assam. Option B is Nagaland. Option C is Bihar. Option D is Chhattisgarh. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is here option A. It's Assam. Let's see the next question. Again, this question is based on the map. Okay, you have to find out, you have to be notify the states, the location where it is located. So let's see the question. It's the Luzon Strait is the strait between Taiwan and Luzon Island of the Philippines, China and Luzon Island of the Philippines, Japan and Luzon Island of the Philippines, Singapore and Luzon Island of the Philippines. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A. It's a Taiwan and Luzon Island of the Philippines. Let's see the next question. The next question is, which of the following is not a member country of G7? Here the options are, there have 4 countries here. Which one is France, Japan, Italy and Russia? So which one is the correct answer? Which is not member of the country, which is not a member country of G7. So before giving the answers, so you have to know the member countries are, G7 member countries are, it's Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, United Kingdom, United States and European Union. Then which one is not a member country which is not a member of G7? Here the correct answer is Russia. Option D is the correct answer. Russia is not a part of G7. Let's see the next question. It's a statement based question. You have 2 statements here, so you have to just read this statement and have to give in the answer which one is the correct. So let's see. The first statement is, carbon molecular sieve is used whereas zeolite molecular sieve is required for producing oxygen. It's required for producing oxygen. It's used for producing the oxygen. Second statement is, it is not feasible to shift nitrogen plant after converting it to an oxygen producing plant. So which one is the correct answer? Here see the options here. Only one is the correct answer, only 2, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A. Only one is the correct answer, which is carbon molecular sieve is used whereas zeolite molecular sieve is required for producing oxygen. It's producing for oxygen. Let's see the last questions of the day. The 10th question is, consider the following statements regarding biodiesel. Again, this is a statement based question. The first statement is, it can be produced from vegetable oil, animal fats, tallow and waste cooking oils. Option 2 is, biodiesel is rapidly biodegradable and completely non-toxic. Which one is the correct? Option 1. Only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C. Both the statements are correct. So today we complete the 10 questions. Again, the next day we have to discuss 10 questions more. So hope the video is helpful for you. So have a good day. See you in the next video.